Okay, so the flatbread, tomato, mozzarella, basil. Here's a flatbread. Got the recipes around this video somewhere to make the flatbreads. Very, it's pretty simple. It's a simple recipe. Quick and easy. Or slow and easy, but either way, it's an easy one. Depends how fast you work, I suppose. Anyway, flatbread on the tray. Pizza sauce. My tomato sauce for the pizza. I've got 2 tablespoons there. I'm just going to work it around, get on the base, like so. I'm going to do a little bit more. Okay. Charming. Okay. There's a nice bit of tomato sauce on this one. And I've got my mozzarella, so I've got a mozzarella ball there. You see that? Buy them like that. Get the mozzarella ball. I'm going to take my handy knife and I'm going to do slices across. One. I don't want them too thick. Again, probably, yeah, that's about a good size. So it's going to nicely, the cheese is going to nicely melt when it's in the oven. Okay. Then, we'll just get these around, nicely around. One more there, let's put that one there. And let's put one more there. Okay. Slight, which way am I going? That way, that way. Okay, anyway. That's looking like a good amount of, okay, so we've got the mozzarella, tomato. I'm going to add a little bit of cheddar as well. Tiny bit of cheddar cheese on there. So we've got a double whammy of cheese. Basil. Yeah. Smells good. Really smells good. Nice and fresh. Lovely jubbly. So, right, basil. Come on, basil leaves. I'm just going to drop those on top. So, like that. Let's get another nice one. Oh, a nice one. A nice one. Is it a good one? Just take a little stalk off. Stick this one there, is that one? Okay. And where's another one just like that? Okay, cool. Just point on the outside, point on the outside, point on the outside, yeah. Okay. One more little basil leaf. Place nicely on top, like that. There you go. Ta-da! Okay, so that's tomato sauce, sliced mozzarella, a little bit of cheddar, basil leaf on the top, in the oven. Give it about 5 minutes, pull it out, and then we'll have a look. Tomato, mozzarella, a little bit of basil. Let's have a look. Okay, let's get it off the tray. We'll get it off the tray straight on the plate. Twink. Oh yeah. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Bit of a mess. Oh, it's cheesy. It's stringy. It's lovely. Okay, so there's the mozzarella, basil, tomato, flatbread. Watch this. Now we're going to watch the cheese. Okay, enough. Remember, it's really hot. It's just come out of the oven. Okay. Oh, some cheese. Look, yay. Cheesy. Cheesy peasy. Cheesy peas, wasn't it? Cheesy peas. Anyone remember cheesy peas? Okay. I'm going to let this cool down before I eat any. Just a little bit. Okay. There we go. It's getting all messy, look. Mozzarella, tomato, flatbread with a bit of basil. Thank you.